In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Cal.com. By the end, your Google Calendar will be linked so Cal.com can read your availability and place new bookings directly onto the calendar you use every day. Start by going to your Cal.com dashboard. Open Cal.com in your browser and sign in so you land on the main dashboard page. This is your control center for everything scheduling related, and it's where you'll find the integration options you need. Next, click Settings. You'll usually find this as a gear icon or a clearly labeled option in the sidebar. Settings is where you manage your personal preferences, availability rules, and, most importantly for today, your calendar connections. In Settings, open Calendar Connections. This section shows all the calendars you can link to Cal.com and whether anything is already connected. It's helpful for keeping track of what's active and what still needs to be set up. Now click Connect Google Calendar. This begins the secure authorization process with Google. A pop-up window may appear. If it doesn't, check your browser's pop-up blocker and allow pop-ups for Cal.com so you can continue. When prompted, sign in with your Gmail account. If you see multiple Google accounts, pick the one that holds the calendar you rely on for your schedule. Choosing the correct account here ensures Cal.com checks the right events for conflicts and writes new bookings to the right place. You'll then see a permissions screen. Click Allow permissions to grant Cal.com access. The permissions let Cal.com read your calendar to prevent double bookings and create events when someone books with you. Review what's listed so you're comfortable. And remember, you can update or disconnect this connection later in settings if you ever need to. After permissions are granted, select which calendars to sync. Most people choose their primary calendar for both availability and bookings. If you keep meetings on multiple calendars, you can include those so Cal.com also checks them for conflicts. Be intentional here. Only select calendars that should affect your availability or receive new events. Finally, click Save. Cal.com will confirm the connection, and you should see your Google Calendar marked as connected. From now on, bookings will respect your existing events, and confirmed meetings will appear on the calendar you selected. If anything doesn't connect, double-check pop-up settings, confirm you use the correct Google account, and refresh the page. That's it. Your Gmail-based Google Calendar is now connected to Cal.com, and your scheduling workflow just got a lot smoother.